Hello guys, welcome again to my channel, and today we are 200 meters off Eastern Bypass, 6 kilometers to Thika Rd and 25 kilometers to Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. We are here to see this elegant villa sitting on a 40 by 80 acre plot. It's in a gated community of 37 houses which are being faced in two ways. So the house, at the entrance, you get the parking for 2 cars, curb paved, and then on the other side, you get this garden that has grass planted and well manicured. You also get this walkway that leads you back to the servants' quarter. At the house, it has 4 bedrooms, all en suite. You get family room. You get a double volume ceiling, and you also get a rooftop terrace with a pergola. The house is on the market at 17.5 million cash price, but there is also a provision for the installment payments and also mortgage payments, with leading banks servicing that mortgage. So as you're standing here, you get a chance to see the facade of the house. And then as we move in, we get this elevated entrance, a staircase like, that is going to give you a view of your window, this big window that opens into the house. And on the other side, you also get this beautiful wooden door complementing the facade of the house and the cladding of the house. So let's check in and see what is being offered. Upon entrance into your living lounge, you get this where you can put it as a shoe rack or your storage for the jewelries and a watch. But then something else is going to strike you is this massive window, 2 of them, complementing and bringing in a lot of natural lighting. And also we have this double volume ceiling, which makes the house elegant and more livable. And then at the living lounge, you get this space that you can put your L-shaped 8-seater couch, and you can also complement another seat on the other side. And then you get this TV wall panel, and also you get this TV console. And then up, we are going to get gypsum ceiling, well put for you, with downlighters and snake lights or strip lights, which is also on the TV wall panel. And then on the other side of the house, we are going to get this room or this space that is provided as our dining area. So the one that they have set here fits only 6 people, but you can extend it and have a bigger table that can accommodate between 8 to 10 people, depending with how you decide to set it up. So let's check out the kitchen. But before the kitchen, you get this as your cloakroom and a guest washroom. And then on the other side, we get our kitchen with a lot of cabinetry spaces, gray wardrobes being complemented with granite countertops. And then at this side, you get this double sink with hot and cold water. You get this window at the sink and also on the other side. So depending with the mode of you are using to bath, you can get this 5-burner cooker, all gas, and the smoke hood. And then still into the kitchen, you get this side-by-side door fridge, a space for you. You also get space for the microwave and the oven. And then this door leads us into the laundry area. And then at the laundry area, you are given that space for the washer and the 2 sinks complementing the washer that you can use to wash your duvet, your carpet, and other heavy stuffs. And then we get this other door that leads us into the servant quarter. But then this door is also leading us into the backyard garden. So you can decide you remain with this lawn, or you can change it into an actual garden where you can use it as a kitchen garden. But then inside the servant quarter, so it's also a suite. You get a lot of storage. This acts as your headrest with headside lamps and the suite, the washroom. So let's get back in and see the other rooms. And just opposite the washroom or next to the cloakroom, we are going to get this as our guest bedroom. Spacious and big enough with this massive window allowing in natural lighting with enough storage, and also we get headside lamps. Now into the washroom of this guest bedroom, you're going to get this massive window allowing natural lighting, and this is the shower cubicle that can fit a person of any size. And we also get all this for your house. You have that mirror, you have this vanity setup, and you also get this water closet. Now we are done with the ground floor of this house. Let's check out the top floor. Now, upon landing on the first floor, you are going to get this corridor that leads us into the family room, the second, the third, and the master bedroom. So first, let's check out the family room. Now, into the family room, you are going to get to this point where you have the double volume ceiling, and you get this space for your chairs and stuffs, and you have the provision there for the TV. So this room can be used for a lot of purposes. You can use it as a family room. You can use it for as an entertainment room, and you can also make it maybe a home gym. Now, the good thing with this family room is it's just next to the master bedroom. So we are going to check out the master bedroom and then go to other rooms. Now, something else that you guys might have forgotten is that this house has a striking wooden doors, a very beautiful one, complementing the house. Into the master bedroom, you get this bed space that can fit king size or queen size 6x6 bed. On the other side, we get our first cabinetry and wardrobe spaces. So this is our wardrobe. And then we have our second wardrobe on the other side. And then also here we get our sliding door. Into this balcony with stainless steel being complemented with these glasses. And you also get this. Now still in the master bedroom, on the other side, we get this as our washroom. Now this washroom comes with a spacious shower cubicle that can comfortably fit two people, with this as our rain shower. You also get this single sink with storage spaces, and you get your toilet seat. So that's all in the master bedroom. Let's check out the other bedrooms. Now we are done with the two bedrooms. Let's check out the third bedroom and see what is being offered here. Into the third bedroom, we get this bed space that can fit comfortably 5x6 or even 6x6, overlooking the window to the backyard, and enough of storage spaces, the cabinetries, and then you have also this as our suite, our washroom. We have shower cubicle, water closet, toilet seat, and also you get the vanity setup. Now let's check out the fourth bedroom. Now upon entrance of the fourth bedroom, you'll realize that the toilet is at the entrance or at the door, which is spacious. And then moving forward, you get this bed space, spacious. You also get wardrobes, and unlike the other two bedrooms, this one gets a shoe rack space, and they also get this balcony, which is bigger than even the one on the master bedroom. So let's check out the rooftop. Now, this is the landing area that is going to lead us into the rooftop terrace, where we are going to get the office space and also the pergola. And then you can realize we have the curtains over there. So that is also a window that is going to allow it tons and tons of natural lighting. And then as we step into the rooftop terrace, we get this sliding door that opens directly into the rooftop terrace. We get this space that can be converted also into a gym, because I think this one will be enough for a family of 2-3 people, which will be served with this washroom. Spacious enough, and they have also given a provision for the shower. After you've just worked out, you get to wash yourself before you move into the living room. And then you get this Mazeras cladding, trying to break the monotony between all the painting issues. And you get this massive sliding door that leads us into the home office. So this house or this room can be used for various purposes. You can use it as a home office, or you can use it as a gym. You can also turn this room into a mini museum, or you can use it as your library. So let's check out the other side and see what the pergola offers. Now, as we go to the other side, you will realize that they have provided all this lighting. Alongside the wall, you have this provided for you as your sockets, and then you get this pergola that you can also turn it into a living lounge. You can use this pergola to hold your visitors over here and stuffs like that. So for 17.5 million Kenya shillings, you can own this villa located along Eastern Bypass in Ruiru. There are also provision for installment payments and the mortgage payments. For more information, kindly hit the number on the screen and we are going to talk. Thank you. See you in the next episode.